students, in today's class I am going to teach you sentence and its kinds. It's a very important topic. It's a basic topic from English grammar. So give your proper attention here. Sentence. Initially, in the beginning of the class, I am going to tell you about the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. It means to make a sentence, it should be group of words and it should also give complete sense. Sense means here meaning. Means to make a sentence, there should be group of words and it should also give complete sense. It means group of words should also give complete sense. Then we will call it a sentence. Example of sentence. I teach English. You can see here this sentence gives proper meaning. It is in a group. Here you can see subject, verb and object, and this particular sentence is in a group. Another example. He says the earth revolves around the sun. Here once again you can see this particular line is written in group of words, and this particular example also gives proper meaning here. Like he says the earth revolves around the sun. So these are meaningful sentences and these are also in groups. Now let us see kinds of sentence. According to modern English grammar, there are only 4 kinds of sentence. First kind of sentence is assertive sentence. It is also called a statement. By assertive sentence, one can give any type of statement. Any type of statement like positive or negative statement. You are a good student. It is a positive statement. If somebody says you are not a good student, it's also a kind of a statement. It means that in assertive sentence, we can give positive statement or negative statement both. Let us see imperative sentence. According to its definition, a sentence that gives order, command or suggestion is called an imperative sentence. In an imperative sentence, we can request somebody also. So here we can understand that to use imperative sentence, we can give order to somebody, we can command somebody, we can give suggestion to somebody, and we can request somebody. If we have to give order, then we can use this example like go there, come here. If you have to give suggestion to somebody, then we can use these kind of examples like take medicine on time, help the poor, etc. If we have to request somebody, then we can use please or kindly in the sentence like help me please, kindly help the poor, etc. Now third kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we can ask any question or we can frame any question. Like we can use WH words in the beginning of the sentence and we can create an interrogative sentence like how are you, where do you live, which is your favorite subject, etc. Fourth and its last kind of sentence. Goodbye. Now let us see exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, we can give strong or sudden feelings. Like if we have to give any type of sudden feelings, then we can give example like that. What a pleasant weather it is. If we have to give strong feelings, then we can use this type of example like what a palatial building it is. What a giant animal it is. So in exclamatory sentence, we can use strong feelings and sudden feelings. So students, during the class you have understood sentence and its 4 kinds. That's all. Okay.